The electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic waves are waves that can travel through a vacuum. All electromagnetic waves travel at the same speed of 3.0 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. However, the wavelengths and frequencies differ. For example, radio waves have the longest wavelength but the lowest frequency. Gamma waves have the shortest wavelength but the highest frequency. Within visible light, red light has the longest wavelength of all the colors of light, and violet has the shortest. Polarization. When a light wave vibrates in a variety of directions, the light wave is said to be unpolarized, whereas when a light wave is contained in a single plane, the light is said to be polarized. When light is shown through two polarizing filters whose transmission axes are parallel to each other, the light passes through the filters parallel to the transmission axes, and the light is half as intense. When the transmission axes are perpendicular to each other, no light passes through. Color of light. Visible light is composed of different wavelengths that correspond to the 7 components of visible light: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, or commonly known as Roy G. Biv. White light is all of the colors of light together. When white light is shown on different surfaces that absorb different wavelengths of light, different colors of light are reflected. If white light is shown on a paper that absorbs red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, and violet, then all of those colors are absorbed and only green is reflected, so the paper will appear green. Color addition/subtraction. When white light is observed, red, green, blue, and blue wavelengths strike the retina of the eye. The primary colors of light are red, green, and blue. The addition and subtraction of these colors create all of the colors of light. Color of pigment. The primary colors of pigment are cyan, magenta, and yellow. The primary colors of pigment combined result in a white pigment. The color of pigment depends on a surface's ability to absorb these colors of light. If a surface absorbs all of the colors of light, it has a black pigment. Whatever color of light is not absorbed by the object is the pigment of the object. Different colors of pigment absorb different colors of light. The colors they absorb are their complements. Blue absorbs yellow, red absorbs cyan, green absorbs magenta, magenta absorbs green, yellow absorbs blue, and cyan absorbs red. Specular reflection. Specular reflection is a reflection off of smooth surfaces such as mirrors or a calm body of water, whereas diffuse reflection is the reflection off of rough surfaces such as clothing or clothing or rocks. If a surface is even remotely microscopically rough, the light rays will reflect and diffuse in many different directions. Light is reflected according to the law of reflection. The law of reflection states when a ray of light reflects off of a surface, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.